What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be going over what a propulsion block is. So if you don't know what a propulsion block is, stay tuned. It's like an order block, you'll see. But yeah, if you don't already know me, my name's Dodgy. I live stream every single day and live trade every single day. So if you want to watch, just check out the link in the description. Again, I probably have like an 89% win rate, which is good, I guess. And make sure to use code Dodgy for 71% off sale. Again, I made a prop firm video. Watch it, and you can see the advantage of using prop firm. So use code Dodgy, 71% off sale right now. Again, it's better than Forex. And yeah, use a couple accounts. Maybe try a couple propulsion block plays. They're really cheap, so it's better than a demo account in my opinion. So yeah, go cop a few accounts. So what exactly is a propulsion block? So there's not too many videos on YouTube about this because like people just kind of refer this to an order block. If you don't already know what an order block is, make sure to watch my video on what an order block is. But again, when we get this down close movement, okay, and then a big move up, this is typically manipulation in a lower time frame, which becomes an order block. And when price trades back down into that support, which keep in mind lines up with a fair value gap here, all right, this is your order block. And what a propulsion block is when we trade off the order block, making a new order block. So what was used as support before, right, what's holding price here will not be the holder of price anymore. Instead, this is going to be the new holder of price because we already supported, price is already supported from this order block. And this second order block that people would say, oh, this is an order block, this would be your propulsion block, okay? And it's because we held price here, and this is going to be this new support off of the old support. So this is your propulsion block. So it's kind of in simpler terms, it's an order block off of an order block. Okay, and what happens when we get a propulsion block is we just rock it up, and you're going to see this in a lot of examples of propulsion block. So here's a bullish propulsion block. You can see this in order block, and what actually activates it? Well, when the candle closes above this down close candle, so this would activate the propulsion block. Here you see price trade into it, and this is actually what really activates it. Okay, it's not a close above the candle wick, it's mainly close above the body open, or the body open here. Okay, same thing as this OB. When we close over, us closing over this open is what's activating it, all right? So if we go look at a few more examples, okay, we got another example here where we have an order block. It's lined up with a fair value gap, and what activates this order block? This candle, when we close over this down close candle, activates this order block. And then here we kind of get, this is more subjective, okay? There's kind of two potential order blocks here, which would both be propulsion blocks because they're coming off an order block, and they kind of both line up. So we got this two down close candle before these up move, this up move, and you can see this price, this candle activates these two being propulsion block when we close above this down close candle. And then same thing with this one. We got another down close candle, and then it's activated by this candle. In my opinion, it would mainly be these two being the propulsion block, but again, this is just another example where it's an order block off an order block. This becomes a propulsion block, and you can see price just starts to accelerate, and that's the beauty of propulsion blocks. So you really accelerate off them, okay? If you want to check out my free 80% win rate strategy to get funded really, really easily, then just click the link in the description below. So I just showed you two bullish examples. We're going to show you one more bearish example right here. All right. So this is example number 3. So we have a bullish order block, right? Two up close candles, and then we get a big down move. So this right here, this close would activate this. Okay, this open as your order block. So now when we look for price to trade back into that and look for rejection, we don't always have to get another order block off it, but in this situation we do. We get another green candle. It's very obvious. And then off of this momentum close below it, that activates this as being a bearish propulsion block now because it's order block off an order block. And you can see we retest it, and this price just shoots down like 50, 70 points here. So another really good example of a bearish propulsion block. So that's what a propulsion block is. It's pretty simplified. If you have any questions, let me know. But just this, in simpler terms, it's an order block off of an order block. That's the best way to look at it. They're not super common, but when they are, do not fade them because they will accelerate price. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Make sure to use code DODGY, 70% off discount. Again, I recommend try these on a new eval account. Okay, if they're good enough and you're good enough and you've discipline, you could literally pass an account, just take the propulsion blocks, right? You never know. So buy a few accounts. That's it for this video, and have a good one. Peace.